So now let's see how we can work around with the Pastels effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go around and work around with the Pastels effect, first of all, I'm going to go around onto the File menu, and then I'm going to go to Import right here. So once I go ahead and do that, I can simply go around and then import out an image according to how I want. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and bring in this image right here. So now what I'm going to do in order to apply the Pastels effect is select this image and then go to Effects right here. And then I'm going to go to Art Strokes, and here you can see that Pastels is an option. So once I go around and do that, you can see the pastel effect right here. So I can go around and choose Soft Pastel type right here and change around the stroke of the pastel, as you can see, just like this. You can also go around and change around the hue variation, as you can see right here, just like this as well, so that you get a bit of variation in colors. You can go for oil type of pastel as well. So if I were to go around and do that, it does take a bit of time, as you can see right here, but it looks more like an oil color, as you can see right here. You can change around the stroke size, but for the oil, you can see that it does take a bit of time to process right here, just like this, depending on the resolution that you have. And then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the Pastels effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.